another project is done. Yes, this Hoover Junior Dirtsearcher, which the owner hasn't even seen yet, is ready to go back home and be loved and appreciated. But first we got to see if it's any better than it was when we got it, hadn't we? Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? You joined me in my pyjamas because I've been busy on the car all day. I'm all sorted, I'm all tired. I thought I'd film a couple of videos. The next one's going to be filmed like this, so if you see me wearing these clothes twice, you can see it. Yeah. Anyway, this was bought by the owner. I put my address into the eBay and then here it came. And obviously we've seen the before video. And here is the after, and it is immaculate. If you remember the 1354A I did for Manchester backs in blue, that was also immaculate. Literally, I really wish I could have done this, but I probably would have ruined it. The only bit of damage that there is on this machine, look, it's a bit dusty. Look, it's all shiny, all lovely. The lens is a bit faded. They all do that, sir. Obviously on the side, look, not a spot of dirt on there. The problem is here, all of that fine scratching. It's a massive shame. Can't even really make it come up. Oh, there we go. You know, you probably could wet sand that out, although you'd have to be so careful polishing it not to put the heat back in and make it go yellow. The best thing really would be a hood swap. But obviously from here, like that, you can't really tell. And it's lovely. Other points to note. Well, let's take the cable off. I am refusing to use the top cord hook because they are so fragile. This one's already got a chip taken out of it. We can look at the ever ready plug, which came up very nicely indeed. The polished plug. It also had a handy cable clip on it, which I left on. May as well stay here, and I shall show you the de facto SIBO HEPA throw bag that is fitted to the spotless blue cloth bag. The handle bail is good. Oh, let's have a look underneath, and it's absolutely superb. I've had the firewalls out and resealed. Brush strips are super stiff, super long and super original, which is always very, very good. So, I suppose it's best to see if it super turns on and super sounds any good, haven't we? Now cast your minds back to the before video. Hopefully I shall put a little snippet of how it sounded then now. Well, it's vibrating like hell and sounds a bit interesting, but will it clean? Because that awful sound turned out to be the whole armature. The whole armature was bent. So this has had a brand new, it's a pattern part, but a brand new armature. Listen to it now. wipers aren't the best for pushing the on and off switches. Yeah, it works really, really well. Very well indeed. Just the armature was the problem. It's got the same bearings in it. It has the same fan in it. The same everything in it, really. It's even got the same light bulb in it. It's just come up so well. Indeed. Shed a bit of light on the situation. So yes, I'm incredibly proud to be able to send this back now to the owner who hasn't seen it yet. Oh my eyes. And I'm hoping that he will love it. Because I'll be honest, it is a very good machine. Indeed, certainly a fine addition to any collection. If you've got one of these that you like running, do get in contact. Oh, there we go. Pop that in there. So yes, underneath, this is the seal it had on it. I have just glued one of the ends into it. Obviously there's the light bulb under there, working nicely. This 1354A is now ready for another 50-60 years of use, which it's not going to get. It's going to go into a loved and cherished collection. So there we go, nice little after video for this Hoover Junior. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.